Hello, so I will be talking about the ATV Sports Garden and Travel Bridge. If I'm repetitive and I'm telling you things that you know already, I do apologize. Let's get started. Now, you have got the title page on all of the bridges. Make sure the position is before, right at the front. That means that the Google Drive will pick that up. So if you actually see it like this, in between different tabs, just pull it back to the front. And you have got all the useful links all on here. And then these are the dates for the bridges that you have selected the dates. On the improvement for the bridges of the title pages, I got a video on this already, so I'm not going to go too much into it. Now, this format of the bridge is different from what you are used to. Um, so I'm just going to show you how to use it. Right. So on column A, you will see ticks and crosses. Now, the ticks actually means that it has detected somebody is actually working, and then will be a tick. So absence of a rota time, it will be a cross. Okay, so it will be cross. Now you got for example here, these are all crosses, you see. These people are not working is all across. Now if you have one section that you got 0 partner working, okay, this will detect that you got nobody working, it will be a cross, right? Which means right at the bottom, the whole section is a cross. So which means when you use the filter button in A1 position, deselect the cross and press OK. And when you do that, all the people who are not working will be hidden. Okay, and then if you want to review these people, you go to the filter and press select all, or just select the cross again, press OK, and the list of people will come back up again. That is actually how you should use this planner. I do not suggest you hide like this. That is not actually it's just too time consuming. Yeah, can you not hide? Because when you hide, you take time to unhide. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you actually just deselect and press OK, it take you just a couple of seconds. Yeah. And so you see just now there is some of the blank spaces. I've done it so that it will look a bit more neater when how should I say, when you actually collapse the whole sheet and you press print, the whole thing looks a bit more neater with a space just here. Now if you see that the margin is actually a bit too big here, you can actually change it. For example, like this. Can you see? Um, but then if you actually feel like it's cutting off a very important point here, I wonder, let me see. Oh, okay, you can actually drag and then pull upward. But I would say play around with the options here for you to get the best way of printing this piece of work. Yeah. Now, if you feel that there are just too many spaces here. So what I suggest you could do, hold on, let me just select all again, is just to pull the formula down so that it will become a cross. But I actually done it in such a way that I actually wanted to make it look nice, but I'm not too sure anymore because you got so many section that people doesn't work, and then it end up having too many rows, blank rows. Okay, I'm just going to quickly do that for you. I mean, if it doesn't annoy you, just leave it, really. It does take a lot of effort to make this planner, by the way. And so all of these week 2, week 3, and week 4, all the notes is actually being held in week 1. So in every tab, 28 tabs, you have got the edit note just here. So if you press onto it, it will jump to week 1's note tab where you can insert your message. So it's actually held in week 1, but you already know that, but it's good for me to tell you again. And so the thing with the audio TV, the actual times, you might need to have a look to make sure the times are actually what you wanted, because I'm not sure if you have checked the time. So if you wanted to edit the break, again, you have got a little link just beside this, and if you press onto it, it's here. Go to the relevant opening hour, trading hour, and then adjust the time according to what you want the breaks to be. So if you do it once in week 1, all the other spreadsheet and every tab will pick up that message. Yeah. So now you see you got a column D, which counts the frequency of a person appearing in this listing. So I'm going to copy this name and paste it here, and then it will tell you red. It means that you got 2 people appearing. So what I normally do is I will copy this name, Control C, Control F, and then Control V, and then it will tell you which position these 2 names are. There is the button for you to jump from one name to the other, and then just delete the name that um, you want to delete. So that's what this line is for. And then there is another formula just along here. So let's just say you got like a rotor time selected. So this formula detects that if this person is not working, you should not have a break here. Okay, so I'm just going to go down a bit because the break counter should count this person in. Hold on. Right, let's do this for real. Hold on. Right, so because you see, if this person is off, but the break counter is counting this person as working, because sometimes this is what will happen. Okay, and then it's like this is not working, but this is not working because you have the brace has been selected for a person who's not working, if you know what I mean. So you have to select all, okay, review who is not supposed to have a break, and then that's why there is a cross just to kind of flag it up, and then all you have to do is delete the time, and the break counter will work just fine. because these